With the Prime Minister's meeting with the men in blue, India bloc has now upped the ante against the Prime Minister because the Congress party is alleging that the Prime Minister attempting to claim credit for Team India's victory and is more focused on photo ops. They've also mocked this breakfast meeting, saying it was fortunate that the Prime Minister did not meet the team before the match. On the other hand, Samajwadi Party suggested that instead of engaging with the team of cricketers, he should have rather visited Hathras, where over 120 people unfortunately lost their lives.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगा उनसे विनम्रता पूर्वक कि आज जब टीम मिले ना तो उससे सीखिएगा कि बॉलर कैसे बैट्समैन का सहयोग करते हैं, बैट्समैन कैसे फील्डर का सहयोग करते हैं। एक मिली जुली टीम स्पिरिट के साथ अगर हिंदुस्तान ने नहीं खेला होता तो ये जीत कभी नहीं मिलती। तो आप भी ना इस देश को चलाने के लिए टीम भावना से खेलिए, टीम भावना बनाइए, सबको लेकर चलिए। आप तो श्रेय लेने के लिए अकेले हर जगह पहुंच जाते हैं और जब टीम भावना से खेलना होता है तो आप अलग हट जाते हैं।
टीम इंडिया में एक यूनिटी थी और कोऑर्डिनेशन था जिसके वजह से जीत हुई है वर्ल्ड कप में। वह यह सिखाता है कि पार्लियामेंट के अंदर दोनों पक्ष सत्ता और विपक्ष को मिल करके कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क करना चाहिए, लेकिन सत्ता पक्ष हमेशा विपक्ष को बोलने नहीं देता। केवल फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होना चाहिए। मोदी जी फोटो खिंचाने में ही आगे हैं, बल्कि उनसे सीखना चाहिए कि यूनाइटेडली कैसे काम किया जाए।
जब पूरी देश ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया में हाथरस की घटना को लेके लोगों में शोक है, समाजवादी पार्टी सबको जो लोगों ने अपनों को खोया है उनको श्रद्धांजलि भी देती है। जब देश और दुनिया से शोक संदेश आ रहे हों, रूस जैसे देश ने भी शोक संदेश दिया हो और प्रधानमंत्री जी वो क्रिकेट टीम से मिलना चाहते हैं, क्रिकेट टीम से मिले, लेकिन हाथरस कब जाएंगे, पीड़ितों से कब मिलेंगे, आखिर जिन लोगों की गलती है उनको सजा कब मिलेगी, ये सवाल तो प्रधानमंत्री जी से भी पूछा जाएंगे और उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी पूछे जाएंगे।
Let's in the meantime get in a word from Pragya and Nyamika. Both of them are joining us live right now. Pragya, what do we make of these statements? Why are the two things being mixed and in a way reactions that have been coming in from the political leaders? Enjoy the victory and of course the tragedy that has happened. It is most tragic and unfortunate.
Well, I would say this is total politicization also of the Hathras tragedy. However, how horrendous that would be, and that was. And in fact, Prime Minister during his address in the Parliament, while speaking on the motion of thanks, he stopped his speech in between and he mentioned this particular incident. And law and order has always been a state subject, and there had been committees that has been established by the Chief Minister of the state as well. We have been told by the sources that heads are going to roll in this and accountability is going to fix. But how much time will that take? Whether there are many questions around that tragedy as well. However, given the fact that Prime Minister has spoken about it, there are actions taken by the state as well. Opposition being opposition will obviously comment on Prime Minister's welcoming the T20 cricketers who had won T20 match and World Cup as well. But the fact is this is a norm, and also this has been encouraged by the Prime Minister to not let go of the positive things that is happening in the country as well. And opposition has time and again attacking Prime Minister and taking credit of all those, the hard work of the Olympians, be it cricketers, all the sports persons. However, Prime Minister this time, if you see the visual that has been put out clearly, Prime Minister is holding the hands of Rohit Sharma and of Rahul Dravid, who are holding the trophy, thereby also signaling that this is their victory and I stand by their victory. I am holding their hands. I'll ensure that they will get what they want, and there is every facility that should be extended to each and every sports person. And this is the mantra of Prime Minister Narendra Modi all throughout his 5
10 years. Nyamika, what's the point of politicizing? I mean, when India lost the World Cup, the Prime Minister was there with their, in their lows. The Prime Minister is with them during their highs when Team India has won the World Cup. Let's celebrate in the victory, because this is the entire country which is celebrating.
Well, if you remember, at that point of time also the opposition had raised question that why Prime Minister Narendra Modi had gone in the dressing room to meet the Indian cricket team, and now this time as well we have seen that how the opposition leaders are questioning Prime Minister Narendra Modi's greeting with all these India cricket team as they are also saying that the Prime Minister should not politicize this entire matter. He should not take credit of this entire matter. And in fact, we have also spoken to the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, who mentioned that it is good that Prime Minister hasn't met these team players before their match. So that is clear-cut indication. That is a jibe which Mr. Pramod Tiwari had taken over Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, we have also seen that other leaders who have also come to the fore. They have also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has met the Indian cricket team players, but he should also go and meet those victims who had, the kids of the deceased who had faced this kind of problem during the Hathras stampede.
These two incidents that are being mixed up, and in a way, as far as the opposition bloc is concerned, they seem to be seeing red when it comes to the Men in Blues meeting that happened with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Well, with the Prime Minister's meeting with the Men in Blue, India bloc has now upped the ante against the Prime Minister because the Congress Party is alleging that the Prime Minister attempting to claim credit for Team India's victory and is more focused on photo ops. They've also mocked this breakfast meeting, saying it was fortunate that the Prime Minister did not meet the team before the match. On the other hand, Samajwadi Party suggested that instead of engaging with the team of cricketers, he should have rather visited Hathras, where over 120 people unfortunately lost their lives.
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगा उनसे विनम्रता पूर्वक कि आज जब टीम मिले ना तो उससे सीखिएगा कि बॉलर कैसे बैट्समैन का सहयोग करते हैं, बैट्समैन कैसे फील्डर का सहयोग करते हैं। एक मिली जुली टीम स्पिरिट के साथ अगर हिंदुस्तान ने नहीं खेला होता तो ये जीत कभी नहीं मिलती। तो आप भी ना इस देश को चलाने के लिए टीम भावना से खेलिए, टीम भावना बनाइए, सबको लेकर चलिए। आप तो श्रेय लेने के लिए अकेले हर जगह पहुंच जाते हैं, और जब टीम भावना से खेलना होता है तो आप अलग हट जाते हैं।
टीम इंडिया में एक यूनिटी थी और कोऑर्डिनेशन था, जिसके वजह से जीत हुई है वर्ल्ड कप में। वह यह सिखाता है कि पार्लियामेंट के अंदर दोनों पक्ष, सत्ता और विपक्ष को मिलकर के कुछ कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क करना चाहिए, लेकिन सत्ता पक्ष हमेशा विपक्ष को बोलने नहीं देता। केवल फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होना चाहिए। मोदी जी फोटो खिंचाने में ही आगे हैं, बल्कि उनसे सीखना चाहिए कि यूनाइटेडली कैसे काम किया जाए।
जब पूरी देश ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया में हाथरस की घटना को लेके लोगों में शोक है, समाजवादी पार्टी सबको, जो लोगों ने अपनों को खोया है, उनको श्रद्धांजलि भी देती है। जब देश और दुनिया से शोक संदेश आ रहे हों, रूस जैसे देश ने भी शोक संदेश दिया हो, और प्रधानमंत्री जी वो क्रिकेट टीम से मिलना चाहते हैं, क्रिकेट टीम से मिले, लेकिन हाथरस कब जाएंगे, पीड़ितों से कब मिलेंगे, आखिर जिन लोगों की गलती है उनको सजा कब मिलेगी, ये सवाल तो प्रधानमंत्री जी से भी पूछा जाएंगे और उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी पूछे जाएंगे।